As a woman, the main challenge is to hit the patriarchal society. It's very hard to take instructions from a female for the society as general and in office as general. Me as a female, they won't take instructions, so I have to go to my general manager or a male colleague just to explain or convince the things to them. That is the main constraint. Hi, I'm Bhagyashree. I am currently working as a senior HR executive in Logicon Facilities Management. I have an enriching experience of 4 years as an HR generalist, and currently it's been around a month that I have joined the Logicon Facilities.
You said you've just joined Logicon. How does a typical day look like for you?
My day usually starts with checking mails. First thing I do in the morning is checking mails. And then I have a quick huddle with my senior person, which is Pankaj sir and Harshal. And then again, after that huddle, I resume to my tasks. Then in the middle of the day, I have a quick huddle with Silpa ma'am if she has some requirements with me. And then it usually till the lunchtime, I do the morning works like usual stuffs, recruitment, what is the tracker, updating the tracker, then everything sort of that. And then in the second half, after the coffee, we have requirements, and then we line up the interviews and everything. So my day is usually packed with recruitment and the generalist profile, because I have to be everywhere in the office. So that is my current day looks like.
You seem to be very focused and confident. So who actually inspired you to become the woman that you are today?
The main woman figuring out and the entire modeling in my career as well as my personality is my mother. So I always look upon her on everything which I go in forward and everything. So she is the person who inspired me a lot.
Can you? What makes you feel strong and confident in office?
The main aspect of my work is my seniors and my colleagues. So and one part of my job profile is my MD and the people around them. So the motivation they give and the kind of work they expect from me and the in daily basis how they motivate me, that actually makes me feel strong and confident.
As a woman, what challenges have you faced in your career?
As a woman, the main challenge is to hit the patriarchal society, because in HR mostly there in the when you go up the ladder, there are mostly males, so you don't find any female, and if you find a female, it is very hard to take instructions from a female for the society as general and in office as general. So that is the main constraint I have. And while approaching to the clients also, first seeing me as a female, they won't take instructions, so I have to go to my general manager or a male colleague just to explain or convince the things to them. That is the main constraint I feel.
So how does Logicon helps you navigate these challenges?
Actually, Touchwood, I've been very fortunate to have seniors and colleagues in Logicon, which actually do not believe in that patriarchal thing. So they are always open to my ideas, open to my solutions, and even if I give them, they are always willing to ask that. They always come and ask that, Bhagyashree, this is the problem, what is the solution? They always make me valued that yes, your solution and your suggestion is valued. So that is the thing I feel that Logicon is different from other organizations which I've worked in.
Can you describe Logicon in one sentence?
It would be Indian version of Kaizen.